The second element in our ClusterF is CPCCJN2002B, prepare for offsite manufacturing process. It goes very well with the previous one, assemble components. This is all about preparing things that are going to be installed somewhere else. So you're preparing all your materials, you're preparing components. They could be cabinets, they could be framing components, all these sort of things that would be prepared in a factory or in a workshop to be taken to another site or the actual work site to be assembled there. So everything's being prepared beforehand and taken there to be assembled. And because of that, you do need to know all of the ins and outs of your specifications and your plans. Some of the elements in this seem very similar, and it'll feel like, to me, like I'm repeating stuff, but there's some that are worded slightly differently. So when I'm going through it, it might sound like I'm repeating myself if you've come down the page and you've gotten to this section. And if you're just seeing this on YouTube, this might seem a little out of context.